1 bar of A minor to 1 bar of F major. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. A minor, 2. Get ready for that F major. A minor, back to A minor. 2, 3, 4. F major. 2, 3, 4. 2. Get ready for that F major. Landing on beat 1 is what's most important right now. 3, 4. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Listen to the sound that you're putting out into the world. E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and you hear that? That's where the 16th notes live. And they're always there, whether or not you would like to bring them out. And you know how to do that with the down. Just play 8th notes and then instead of missing on the way back up, you strum the strings. 2, 3, 4. A minor. F major, 3, 4. Where did that C chord come from?